Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create poll on your Facebook stories, and it is really easy and simple. So without any further, let's start the video. First go to your Messenger app. Now create a story. I'm going to create story. I'm going to select this post and you have to select the option sticker here. Just select it. You can see the option poll here. Select this option poll and ask a question, like the question you want to ask your viewers. I'm going to type one and click done here and adjust this one like the way you want to. I'm going to adjust here and share. Now as you can see, my poll has been created, and that's it for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like this, consider subscribing to my channel.